Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about a new mascara. It's from Soap and Glory and that's how the tube looks like. It's called Thick and Fast Mascara, and the number of claims on this tube draw me towards itself, and I was really excited to try it out and see what it is all about, because it's not talked about much here on YouTube. So I thought, let's give it a try on my channel and see if it is worth all the hypes and claims it has on its packaging. Like everything you want from a mascara, that claim is on this packaging. So my hopes are really high with this mascara now, and I also love this packaging. It's beautiful gold tube, and it says on the packaging it has 7-sided fan flare 180-degree brush. So I want to see what it looks like, and it says it has high definition collagen coat formula, and this has like 10 milliliter of product, and you have like all the details at the back. Here you can see all the claims and the brush, everything. So the shade I got is Film Noir. So I don't know if they have other shades as well, but I got this one only. So I'll be opening it up, showing you a close view of the tube, and then giving you my reviews on this. So basically I got it for $12 at Target, and here is the up close view of the tube. It's gorgeous. Like, I really love the tube. You can see how beautiful it is. And here is the wand, guys, and I don't think it's like anything special. It just has pretty long bristles to one side and shorter to other. I don't see that 7-sided thing here. So that's how the wand looks like. So on the packaging it says it coats, combs and curls. So I will not use my eyelash curler, and I'll see how this thing works. So without wasting much time, I'll bring a little closer and we'll start with the application. So guys, I'll start using it as I do with my any other mascara. I really have high hopes with this, that it'll give me length, separation and volume all in one mascara, because those are all the heavy claims on the packaging. Formula wise, I think it's quite a wet formula, and yes, it is giving me volume, like somewhat volume. Length and separation are also there, so I like it quite far. So guys, that's just one coat of mascara, and I think it gave me a lot of length and separation. I mean, you can clearly see my lashes. So let's move on to the second coat. So guys, that's my lashes after 2 coats of this mascara, and like, I'm really happy. It gave me a lot of length, separation and volume. I think it built up the volume at the base. Like at the base, my lashes are looking like there are a lot of lashes, but only like a few of them reaches top. I don't know if you are understanding what I want to say, but it's like flared out. It feels like it has a lot of lashes at the base, and some of them flares out at the top, and I mean the lengthening action is crazy. I really love the lengthening action here. You can compare both of my lashes, like the difference is amazing. So guys, that's my mascara and I really love it. Like I almost feel like I'm wearing falsies, and my lashes are looking so much longer and fuller and separated. They are all flared out, looking very natural, and I'm really in love with this mascara, and I would like to wear it throughout rest of my day, and at the end of the day I will let you guys know what I feel about it, how it wore throughout the day. Was there any flaking or the curl went down or anything? Right now you can see it beautifully curled my lashes upwards. I haven't used any eyelash curler or anything. The one thing I would like to say is that it's not good for your lower lash line, so you have to have separate mascara for that, because wand kind of doesn't work with the lower lash line, because one side is little too long for it and one side is like little too short for your lower lashes. So you have to have separate mascara for your lower lashes, but for my top lashes this is like looking amazing now. But I'll check the wear of this mascara throughout my day, and towards the end of the day I'll give you my final opinions on this. Welcome back guys, and that's how my mascara looks like, and it's really looking beautiful. I mean, there are no flaking or budging, and you can see my like under eye area, it's clean, and curl is like wonderful. My lashes look lifted, and I haven't used any eyelash curler or anything. I just use this mascara, so I really love it. It's going strong. And later on I noticed that it didn't give me that much volume, but the length, separation and the flare it gave me was everything. So I give this mascara 8 out of 10, and I will continue using it, although it's not giving me that much volume, but I really love the result. I really love the flare, length and separation it has on my lashes, and like it looks amazing. Like it gave me a lot of length. So that was it guys, and I really love this mascara. It's worth checking out. And yeah, that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.